Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to discuss what is triangle and classification of the triangle. Basically, triangle is three-sided polygon that has three sides and three angles. Three-sided polygon that has three sides and three angles. This three-sided polygon named as the triangle. Three sides and three angles. The sum of the interior angle of the triangle is always equal to 180 degree. This is triangle. Now what is classification of the triangle? Triangle can be classified on the basis of their sides and angles. On the basis of sides and on the basis of angle. On the basis of the sides, it can be classified as equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and the third is scalene triangle. This is classified on the basis of their sides. On the basis of the angle, it can be classified as acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and the last one is obtuse angle triangle. This is the classification of the triangle on the basis of the sides and on the basis of the angle. Now we can discuss one by one. What is equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides and all three angles are equal. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides and two angles are same and third is different. Scalene triangle is a triangle in which all three sides and angles are different. Now the classification on the basis of the angles. First of all, what is acute angle triangle? Acute angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle of triangle is less than 90 degree. This is called the acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle is a triangle in which one angle is equal to the 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle is a triangle in which the angle greater than 90 degree.